Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to find places on Airbnb. I wonder why you want to know how to find places on Airbnb. Maybe because you're going to travel somewhere so you're looking for some of the places, or maybe you're just going on a vacation so you're looking for hotels, or maybe you're just going to mountains, beach so you just want to looking a place where you could stay, or there could be any other reason for you to find places on Airbnb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Airbnb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Just simply tap on the icon of the Airbnb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom of the screen, and in middle of the screen we have some of the places that you could find. If you're looking to rent something, then you can get these places on rent, or if you're just going as on vacation, so you can stay there. But if you're looking for something specific, let's say you're going to mountains and you're looking for all the places that are in mountains, or maybe you're going to beach, so you just want a hotels on beach. So here we have categories for that. With the help of these categories, you can find places. So as on top you could see we have these options. These all places, or you could say options, are actually categories, and with the help of that you could find. So once you tap on it, you will see this interface. Here you could see which region you are planning to move. You can also scheduleize like when you are going on a trip. But if you're just looking for the places, so first you have to skip these options, and then after that you just have to go on to the searches. Once you get there, you will see that we will get a lot of places. So let's say while scrolling you saw a place and you really liked it, so you just want to rent this house. So you have to tap on that option, and after that that place will open. You can see all up images, you can read the description and other details like what will be included there, the location, price, and you could also read about the host. You could also get to know about the reviews of that place, and once you find that place suitable, you can book that place. Otherwise, if you're looking for something special, then you can go to these categories that we talked about earlier. There's a lot of categories available. You just have to find the one that you're looking for. If you're looking for something cabin, then you can go for it, or maybe if you're looking for some palace or maybe historical places, then you can also go for that. So here we have just opened some of the places. So now if you like any one of these, just simply click on it, go through all the images of that place, read the title of the place, read description, get to know about the host and other informations as well. And if you find that this place is suitable for you, if it's in your budget and all over matches with the thing that you're looking for, then you can reserve it, or maybe you can contact to the host about this place. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find places on Airbnb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.